dinikan ko eh. Pernah kan?
On a dark desert highway,
Tiga.
Dorong. 1, 2.
warm smell of colitas rising up through the air.
Balik batana.
In the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway.
Ulang. Ulang.
This could be heaven, and this could be
Kenai. Keren.
and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, "Welcome to the hotel."